And that's how it is. Whoa! We are there! Whoa! And we have the chef! Whoa! And we have the chef dripping! Dripping with the spoon!
Square off, you know?
Ja.
Like a triangle.
Boogie woogie!
Alright. Nicky and Roger. First and foremost. God bless them every time. Whatever God is possible. Big up to all subscribers. Now that makes sense. Give them. One day.
Alright. We'll have $60 more again. 4.
Alright, so make it the 4 and I put the $60 more. So Max, we have 4 mackerel for you, right? 2 for dinner and 2 for dinner again tomorrow. Almost so. Alright. Let's eat them, Max. Alright, so alien from the UK, you know.
Jamaica national dish.
Yeah. We have Nikki Touch of Beauty. You can check her out on IG. She goes by Nikki Touch of Beauty. I have Big Radar Apparel as well too. He's also on IG, and you can check them out as well. He's a clothes designer and everything, so you can check them out as well too on the IG. So I'm saying Nikki Touch of Beauty, and you have Radar Apparel, who's also giving us the support, and we have to give thanks and thank them so much. We give them a round of applause. You know?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
well. Dream team, one team. I know it's the only real team. Ever gathering amongst yourself, you know, cooking some food and just holding up vibes. Because you don't know that we always demonstrate the love, you know. So blessings to our extended family, you know, Dream team, one team, you know, nothing but love and love alone. So blessings to all. So today with us are going with our vibe and cook some food. When the team members chilling out, you know. Build back up the momentum, you know, it's been lost. You know, because of the ups and the downs, so now we are trying to keep that momentum up back, you know, and only positive we can do that. So, you know, so give thanks so we can know what's there.
Make him go up, we like him a blue shop.
Oh, I'm the killer.
Sick out from within.
Well, so today, you know, we have party in the place.
Yeah, man, oneness, one love.
You know, nothing but love and love alone.
Yeah, man, love alone, you know.
So you think we have
Beer love,
Florida.
love. Beer love.
See there, this is it is.
Ata love.
And we have Barney Bob over there. You know the thing go. Barney Bob, I was like the left hand. You know, when time we always need it. You know, we have Mother Teresa.
I am my extended family. Oh, Father God bless all of you. One team, dream team.
Yeah, and we have Smiley. Always keep smiling and dream. You have fight me over food. Eh? I saw me live dream. She said yes. It's alright. She said yes. I said we have bobbing ball here. Esther aka bobbing ball with the candy, you know. Just get the candy. Yeah. Alright then now we have cheese. You know, Trenchtown living hero. Trenchtown icon as it is.
No.
There we go. So we have that's Stacy aka Chips.
We can make it work, can make it work. Dream team can make it work, can make it work.
So she can make it work with hallelujah. With him talking in her mouth. We have Jenna,
all of my extended family across the world. Tell her love on the year. Love goes out. Stay safe.
Love and love alone. We have Rizzo, baby.
Big up all that extended family. Them straight. May good God keep on guiding and protect them all. One team, dream team. Love and love alone.
See, when we say blessings, this is how blessings look like. It's keep flowing. You know? It's keep flowing. Why from she baptized at resort, there's no turning back. From she baptized at the resort, there's no turning back. We have only natural.
One blessing.
It's only natural.
Yeah, one natural.
One natural. Natural as it can be. And that's how it is. Whoa! We are there. Whoa! And we have the chef. Whoa! And we have the chef dripping. Dripping with the spoon.
Square off, you know.
Yeah.
Like a triangle. Yeah, man, so you don't know, you see me?
Yeah, so today we have the meal put on, you know, cooking well in our vibes, and we have to give thanks to Susie, you know, from Demontown.
Susie from Demontown.
Yeah, we live in the US, you know. Susie was our guest the other day, you know, that passed through, and she said, yo, must cook our food and to all our vibes, you know. Keep the momentum up, you know, because you know the spirit is down, you know. Eh? Yeah. And we have light parks here, same way, you know, as usual, you know, it's helping out when the help is needed, same way in the kitchen, them and wow, you know, and so we're going to show them how I go away, say Susie from Demontown.
Only for love, you know, Susie. Yeah, Susie, when I call it Susie Q, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, coming from the red, gold and green, you know.
Yeah.
Susie. That's all this.
Yeah. Jeez. Come through them, wow. And we have run out of bread.
Run out of bread. Hey. All extended family, let's go and stay, so.
Yeah. Jeez. Why, one and one, worship, take out that 1 and 5 minutes. You have to go all and let go. Whoa, you know, you keep on dripping, you know. See there? So we have the fish here, Susie, you know, fish.
Only for love for them fish and big fish, you know. Dream team, them right look more, you know. We are just them, so let's take a while for later. See me? Yeah, with the red, gold and green for them, so you see that?
Red, gold and green are gone on it.
One of the best rice in the world. Brown rice.
The best rice in the world.
Healthy, you know. Yeah, man, your belch, your burp.
You see, and it's not a silent burp, it's a loud one.
Good one, you know, see that? Jeez. Red rice and peas, you know.
We have the red rice and peas, gungo.
Gungo, red rice and peas. Nice and peas, you know.
Yeah.
Gungo red one, you know. Oh, Susie. Susie. No flour, respect
Wow, the steam dripping now. The steam is dripping.
Yeah, man, color the chain it have, man, you know.
Yeah.
The peas too, you see me?
Yes, right.
Yeah, man. Susie, no fluff, you know. Only for blessing for the dream team, you know.
Yeah. Why voucher for different styles to that? The bird eye glass and the ice now stop drip. Yeah, where's the New York?
Straight New York
It's
twice.
not once.
Twice.
Once is twice.
Yeah, man. Twice, you know.
No.
Yeah, man.
Can't say once, you know, can't say two art him have, you know.
Yeah, man. Don't get the thing lean, you know. Yeah, man. No, it won't go back to the jewel, man. It won't clean.
Yeah. It's a drip too much.
It won't clean, man. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It won't clean, man. So, yeah, man. So, go back to the jewel, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It won't clean, man. You see what I say?
It's a drip too much, so.
Yeah, man. And I still ring them yet, you know.
That's out.
Yeah, man.
A boy just go and out, you know.
I put on my married ring yet. You see me, I say?
Yeah, that's my ring. And so we have light parks here, see your way.
Yeah.
I put in the work, see your way. Light parks, I go and take out the fish them, make it work. So then when you're ready, so we have to give thanks again once more to Susie.
Yeah, Susie. Blessed love from them and town, man.
Live in the USA.
Yeah, man.
You know,
Give yourself whole heap of love, man. And whole heap of people need it, you know, and you see you there and I do the right thing, you see it?
Yes, sir.
And you do the right thing to help you, you see me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Straighten up food. Food the right thing, you know. See there?
So we are almost ready. Almost ready, so we'll give thanks to Susie.
Yeah, man, Susie.
Some of the members them is not arrived as yet, you know. So them on them way, so we can hold a nice time, you know, enjoy the food at the time. Run out of bread, run out of bread, hey, run out of bread and we know.
The world is the best friend I've got.
Sure.
They give me the shirt on my back.
Yeah.
They give me the shoes on my feet.
Just.
They give me some place to sleep. They give me something to eat. They give me money to buy. Don't ask me why. And when I have and have not. Extended family is the best friend I've got.
Sure.
All extended family just
Big
go
up in
and stay. So
yourself,
big up
man.
Kino. Remember to subscribe, like and subscribe.
Alright, so Dream Team?
One team.
Dream Team?
One team.
Dream?
One team. Tell him one team.
Dream now. Oh, Max, Max? Where's Max? Max? Oh, where Max gone? Max? We got Max here. That's like how we have fish are fried, rice and peas. Max have 3 months, you know. So we have Elaine from the UK. We have 500 a year for Max. She said you must get some mackerel for Max. So meanwhile, when I eat steamed fish and fried fish, Max I eat steamed mackerel in a tin. I know what I say, eh? What's it?
Walk up and shop and something.
Alright, watch this now. Come Max, we're going shop, Max. Max not joke, that's not lazy, man. Joseph, Chinaman. Come here, Chinaman. We need some mackerel here for Max. This is from Elaine from the UK, so we must get Max some mackerel. Max, how much mackerel you want? Alright, Max, sit down and wait, no Joe. So how much mackerel we can get with this for Max? So you know, so we can't leave out Max.
Alright. We have $60 more, can I get 4?
Alright, so make it before and I put the $60 more. So Max, we have 4 mackerel for you, right? 2 for dinner and 2 for dinner again tomorrow. Almost done. Alright. So see them, Max. Alright, so Elaine from the UK, you know.
Jamaica national dish.
Yeah.
It a rice and peas. It a anything. Jamaica national dish.
Classic.
Classic.
Very classic. Classic. That's right. Take up them for me. What are you natural? And can't all of them. So it's all there for Max.
Yeah, all there for Max.
So we give thanks to Elaine from the UK.
Yeah.
You know, so you say Max know what going on to tell. Yeah, man, get him mackerel and now, don't miss man.
Yeah, man. Remember thank, what's your name, Ilian?
Yeah.
Remember thank Ilian for Max. Max can't talk, but himself will tell you, that means thanks.
You see there? So Max is on the verge now. The Max are leaving Max in. You feel like some Max don't know a thing? Max know everything what go on right now. Max make sure follow the mackerel thing. That's your tailor wiggle. So you know what that mean, you know. You know what that mean, you know.
Come in, Max. You know ready? Hold on, man.
Yeah.
The boss, I eat that.
What's your kitty? Me no swear to nigga though.
Max that, man.
Maxi. One cut you have to give one more natural. That one just fly past his nose. That one just fly past his nose natural. That one just fly past his nose. Well, Max will lamp on the plate. Max will lamp.
One more again.
Well, Max makes me try to eat before everyone as a barger said. Max can't wait for only, you know. Because Max knows later on, Max can create a food plate later, so you know what time it takes. Yeah. Max not arguing, man. None. Alright, so we're going to save 2 more for Max for tomorrow, right? We're going to save 2 more for Wendy, right, Max?
Extended family thanks, man.
Yes, so that's it. Max said thanks. Max said thanks, you know, Max said thanks. So, Esther, we are putting these 2 for Max for tomorrow. So, you know, Max will get fish today. So, Max will eat out of everybody's plate. Because we got fish feed, right, wow?
Yes, man. Man.
Oh,
Yeah, man, Max. Max. His name Max, they just put on the mat on it, you know, Max.
only Max, eh? Oh gosh, man, Max not used to them thing there. Max teeth at the fork right now. Max teeth. So we give thanks to Ilya and thank you so much for Max.
That's how Guinness used to get treated.
Yeah, man, so we give thanks to Ilian from the UK. So blessings Ilian from the UK. You know, thank you so much for Max meal. And Susie, big up yourself Susie, you know, from Demon Town, live in the US, you know. We give thanks. I can say the joy I got there, you know. Food so ready, so I go all a feast and have vibes, you know. And we have a donation for the team. You know, them a fly out, you know, so everybody I get them in US. You know, because we're going to Wow Chef place. Wow! Your place we are going a little bit from now, you know.
Yeah, John.
Yes, sir.
I come like my gym, I go come through this, you know. This is my gym, I go come through, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So, you know, so I live lavish in New York.
Yeah. The seat there.
Yeah, man, holy
So we
work, you know.
So we have the US now for fly out, you know. So you know the thing go. Everybody I get them
You know,
US.
say that different from Japan, New York, a different train, man.
Alright, so here
That's
like
the round I want to drop.
here drippings.
Yeah, man, one clean, man, see there? One got a jewel like one clean up, you know.
Versace chain too, you know.
Frostbite.
Buckle in that's the one side, you know.
Yeah.
Clean up.
Yes,
I clean it up, man.
Alright then.
I got jewel, I'm going to clean, man.
Yes, I. Yeah. Yeah, man, people, so stay tuned, you know. As I say, everybody get them US because they're going to fly out, you know, because we have our extended family, you know, newly family to the program. We have been watching the program, you know, and them decide, so yo, they're going to bless the team, you know, bless them in a different way, so everybody get a US dollar to fly out for the next trip, you know, so we give thanks. We have chicken ladies here. We have chicken lady passing through.
Bless up. Big up yourself and say it. One team.
So we have the chicken lady there, so you know the thing already. Alright, Dream Team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Alright, so we're gonna do it different today. Yeah. As I say, we need to be aware, right? And we need to stay focused and we need to stay positive, right? And know say yo, things in life more time will happen. We have to think about them things, you see, because our awareness is very poor. You see me? As an individual, we have to look within ourselves. You see me? It's not always outside, it's always within. Because if I tell yourself so you look outside for the truth, you look in the wrong place. You understand? Because I'm tell you this, me can't choose no destiny for you. Right? You have to know no purpose. You understand? Because me I serve mine. Yeah, and all over there as an individual. Everyone have a different mindset. So we know so we have to look into ourselves. You understand? Because we can't only look into the negative, we have to stay positive because that's the only way you can really understand yourself. Yeah? Me a tall piece I think earlier upon the mic. He said we try everything else, but we can't try love now. You understand? And we can say this now, and after my gun is a different story. But when I say this thing, right? It's not because if you show somebody love and a person will show you back love, you're gonna change your heart from not showing love. Yeah? So that means you live your life through that person. So that means you're still not being righteous. You understand? You're still not believing in the Almighty then. So when those say you believe in the Almighty, it's different by saying it. You see me? But believing is another thing. You see me? I say because when if you're aware of yourself, you understand? If you don't feel like something there in a certain is negative, take away yourself and try to be positive. You understand? Because you know yourself, you have to be aware of yourself. Nobody else can help you do that. Me can serve my purpose and me know my destiny. So me have to look within myself. Me can't look upon the next man and say, yo, me have to follow with a person that do. Me have to know me. You see me I say, we are living in a physical form, but our true soul, our spirit, you have to know that, we have to understand that people. You see me I say, because if you not believe in the Father, that means you're not telling yourself lie. If you not believe in a creator, you're not talking about the creator, Almighty God, this and that. You have to believe in the truth, brother. And you have to be aware of that. You can't say, yo, you don't believe in the Father and still not doing it. You not lie to yourself. You understand? You have to look into yourself. Dream team?
One team.
And it's only righteousness. As them say, we cannot choose on a destiny for you, but you have to look into within for yourself. Show up love to you. If somebody show hate, show love to you. Don't live your life through another person because they not show you love. You understand? If you feel like say, if you feel like say that person not give you the energy where you want, you don't have to be around that person there. But try to know your energy where you have lead off of. You see me I say it's your frequency. You understand? Don't live off our next man's frequency. You see me I say, let's try to be positive within yourself. As I say, we're gonna start this off with Psalms 23. Right? We have Esther here. Yeah? And Esther gonna lead it off and we can follow in. You understand? But as I said, this is a simple prayer where we should all know. You understand? From basic school days till now. So if you don't know this by heart, you still a lie to yourself. You understand? Me I tell the truth.
If you don't know the basic, you don't know nothing.
And the basic is the root. You understand? So you don't want to be a tree without a root. Knowledge is the key, you know. If you feel like somebody has locked the door upon you, already have the knowledge, so you already can open that door already because you have the key. Once you have the knowledge, nobody can lock no door upon you. You see me I say, no matter if you feel like that person, there's nobody can hold you down but you hold on yourself. If you think poor, you're going to live poor, brother. Stop following what you see and follow what you know within yourself. You see me I say, because we're born not knowing. Or grew up seeing what people doing. But along the line, you have to find out what you want within yourself. You understand? Because you live in a house with 10 different languages, you can learn the 10 different languages. But you still have to know your true self. Anyway you take it in a life. You understand? So now for us believing on yourself and know that, as them say, I cannot choose in the destiny for you. You understand? But I have to follow my path. You see me? So we have Esther here. We're going to lead out the Psalms 23. Yeah, and we can jump in after. Yeah? Yeah, so after 3, 1, 2, 3.
The Lord is my shepherd.
I shall. Who hear the voice now? He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still water. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'll fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointed my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. So we give thanks. Clap on yourself, please. You know. As me I say, it's righteousness is the way. You understand? And we have Barney, yeah, and we also have Chicken Lady, and we have Gear run out of breath, right? So we already know, so we have the members them different from these three that giving a helping hand, right? And it's a team, right? And them believe in the positivity and them want to be a part of it. But everything take time, right? So we have a set of example, right? If everybody sit and say, well, we say dream team, we can go jump in a dream team. It's a dedication. So we have to know the initiative same way. So when you come around, if you feel like you want to just play a part, it take time. Because we can't just choose everybody say, yes, you're a member of the team, just like that. You see me? But if you stand for the righteousness and you want to be a part, eventually you will become a member of the team. You understand? Because we can't throw everybody in and say, yeah, you're a member. You see me? But the support is always in need, same way. So we don't manage the community and anybody else can come and join. You see me? But eventually you will be a part of the team, which is we're a member. You understand? So we have Barney, we always give a hand, see me, and we have Chicken Lady, and we have Gary. But it still take time.
Process.
Come. Yeah, so everything take time. You understand? And within time, eventually if them show them dedication, they will be a member. Because from your heart tonight, that's what I need, the art. Because this is not for the monetized game of it. It's not a money thing. So I have 20 of us already that been there. You understand? And anybody who come along, they're more than welcome to be a part of it. But everything take time. Barney always talks, I'm willing to give a hand. You understand? And Chicken Lady want to give a hand as well, and Gary. You know, so eventually they will become a member if they want to. You understand? But they have to show the support and say, this is what I'm here for. Yeah. Because we have to be an example for positive. Otherwise, what we're going to become? We're going to be the same followers, as the same negative, and we cannot keep on live that recycle life over and over. We cannot live that life over and over. Yeah, and we have a donation for the team. Yeah, as well too. As I say, people been watching. And people been watching for a good while now, and they know how we've been doing and what we've been doing. So don't feel like the people don't acknowledge every situation we are going. But everything take time. So we want to clap Chicken Lady, Barney and Gary for the support what they've been putting in. So everything is a process, yeah? And I want to understand as well too. Yeah, Barney, because Barney don't talk already, is not here for the money, he give us strength. He might always been a part of it because what? If him stand for positive, this is what him is. Positive. I'm love how I go on. Same thing with Run Out of Bread and same thing with Chicken Lady. But everything is at time. Football team, you have to train. You see me I say before you can make the team. You see me? So fire, Run Out of Bread, you know you go. Dream team? One team! Alright, so we have a donation for the team and it's different. We are giving out US, so we don't know if everybody can have a chance to fly out. You see me I say. And we are sending them a whole chef place. You know, and it's a husband and wife as well too. And we're going to tell them called, you have Nikki, Touch of Beauty from the US, who is the wife. Hold on there.
Touch of Beauty from the US.
Boy, I get ready. We're ready. US is fine.
Yeah. Alright, so here me I say, so we have Nikki Touch of Beauty. You can check her out on IG. She goes by Nikki Touch of Beauty. And you have Radar Apparel as well too. He's also on IG, and you can check them out as well. Who is a clothes designer and everything, so you can check them out as well too on the IG. So I'm saying Nikki Touch of Beauty, and you have Radar Apparel, who's also giving us the support, and we have to give thanks and thank them so much. We give them a round of applause. You know? So yeah, so Nikki Touch of Beauty, you can check them out on IG. So Radar Apparel, him goes by Raja. So we can call him by me, Raja. So Raja, much love and much thanks for what you're about to do right now for the members them. So each member will get $50 each, you know, from Nikki Touch of Beauty and Raja, which is aka Radar Apparel. Right, so we're gonna start off from Esther. We're gonna start from the clean team ladies them. So we have Esther, we have $50 here for you from Nikki Touch of Beauty and Raja aka Radar Apparel.
Thanks from Nikki Touch of Beauty
and Raja
aka
Radar Apparel.
May the good Lord bless and keep you both safe. Thanks. I appreciate it.
Yeah, give her an applause now, please. You know, I got the energy, you know. Come in, baby. We have baby as well, too.
Baby, how's the side of you?
I'll let me one of my husband. Thank you, Nikki.
Thank you, Nikki.
And Raja. May the good Lord bless you. And may your food basket never empty. Heart of love. Yeah, my husband. I care nobody, no matter get Jella.
Alright, so come in, Rizro baby. So this is your $50 from Nikki and Raja.
Nikki and Raja, thanks a lot. May the good Lord keep and guide and protect you always. The food basket never run dry. Dream team.
One team.
Yeah. I have Jenna. Wait, no, I'm not counting the $50 yet still, you know. Just take it and go with it still, you know. So we want to see so everybody can see the $50. Yeah.
You know, we're not.
Yes.
When it comes to you, we're not there.
Yeah, we don't know. To the viewers and to the negative, the naysayers them, we always have to show them it because this is what we stand for. Yeah, but we still have to show the naysayers them, you know. This is what we stand for, transparency, you know. And we have Jenna. This is your 50 from Nikki and Raja.
Raja. May the good Lord bless you, Nikki and Raja, and keep you safe. Love and love only. Thank you very much.
And we have Smiley. Smile all the time, not a while.
Nikki and Raja, thank you very much. And I hope your food basket will never empty. And may the good Lord bless and keep you and guide you and your family.
Come now, man. Mother Teresa. From Nikki and Raja.
Thank you, Nikki and Raja. May the Lord bless you and keep you, know, and open the food basket never empty. All our extended family, it goes to Uno always. Subscribe, I go to Uno always. One team.
Alright then. So we have is that the ladies then, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have Natural. You know, one of our teacher. Natural as well too. $50 here for you, Natural from Nikki and Raja.
Blessings from Nikki and Raja. And give thanks. And big up to the viewers and subscribers and everybody across the board. Respect and thanks always. Go across for our Dream Team and the members of the Clean Team.
Alright then. Round of applause. Right there, man. Talpe. My sound. The only real sound. So Bob Marley on him shirt, so you know, so the man represent one love. A love and love alone. So this is your $50 from Nikki and Raja.
Nikki and Raja, whole heap of love and a whole heap of blessing. May the Almighty keep on safe, warm, everything, all blessing. One team.
Team. So you know we are saying, whoa, Chef got New York right now, you know. Whoa. New York, we are saying him go with this right now, you know.
New York City.
Nikki and Raja.
Nikki and Raja. No flow and whole heap of respect, you know. Raja Jed, big up. Yeah, no flow.
And we have Baja, the motivational speaker, the teacher.
Yeah, Nicky Raja, enough thanks and appreciation. Made full basket never empty. And thanks to come on board. Thanks for your support.
Alright. We have Jess! The only living hero. Still living in Trenchtown.
Yeah, man.
From Nicky and Raja.
Nicky and Raja. Alright. Many gratitude and many respect from the whole team. You understand? Thank you for coming on board. And what we say? One team.
Dreamteam! That is it. And we have Painter. From Nicky and Raja.
Nicky and Raja, big up yourself, be a full basket, never empty. Respect.
Alright. We have Rasta Jackson. Rasta Jackson. Every time.
Enough respect, Nicky.
And Raja.
Every time. Respect, love.
Light Fox. Light Fox. From Nicky and Raja.
Raja, give thanks and God bless you every time.
Good man. We have Florida. Yeah, Florida. Rasta Boom.
Rasta boom.
Florida from Nicky and Raja.
Nicky, you're my sister name and Raja, blessed. One love. Thanks.
Yeah. We have Mighty Joe Young. We have Mighty Joe Young in the building.
Greetings, I am back. Raja, Nicky, thank you for your grace. Thank you for your blessing. Respect and love all the time.
Yeah. We have Electrician. Electro. Woogie.
Alright. Nicky and Raja. First and foremost. God bless you every time. If I never got this, it wouldn't possible. Big up to all subscribers. And all of excellent. Give thanks.
One team. Alright, so we have Wormy is not here. And Prefect is not here yet, right? So Baja will collect Prefect one. Yeah, because you know we'll see him soon down by the countryside.
Nicky and Raja, on behalf of the prefect, I collect this for him. And as you will say, thanks, and God grace, love.
So Wormy, I make Lady. I make a collect for Wormy as well because you're always close to Wormy and living right next to Wormy. So this is from Wormy and Life.
Nicky, give thanks, blessings again, from Wormy, So just big up yourself here, more now.
So Wormy in the uptown kitchen, cooking chicken. So I want to thank Nicky and Raja. I'll give them a round of applause now, please, man. You know, so like when you just get a visa. Wait, I'm not get them visa. Where I go on? Yeah, I'll start it back over. Alright. So, as I say, you can check out Nicky Touch of Beauty on IG. Yeah, all the viewers, you can check it out. Nicky Touch of Beauty. And you can also check out Radar Apparel, with the latest them, because I'm saying there's a lot of sportswear, and you can check them out same way. I would say Dreamteam. One team. Dreamteam. And then now, we cannot forget the food we are about to consume. We have to thank Susie from Demontown, who live in the US, for the fish, and and the gungo. What should I say, fish and who?
Gungo, man. Fish and gungo, rice and
peas. Rice and peas.
Red, gold and green,
So we have to thank Susie from Demontown, living in the USA. Yeah. Yeah. So keep us healthy and we give thanks. Say we definitely have a feast. We not eat for ourselves alone. We on the outside can always get food because this is how we always try to show the love. Right? And we always have to keep coming say unity is strength. And don't feel like we can be a strength and it's not unite. We have to unite, you see me? And everybody know we can put $1,000 together and we can buy something and have a juice for drink. You understand? And if everybody can put $1,000, just look on the strength. I would ever say $10, say $5. When you can put $5 or $4, right? Yes, they can change and get $4, right? We can put a $4. You know, everybody can buy orange juice, box juice. You know, to buy some juice, or we have some juice with the food. Oh, my son. And this a show unity. And look at the straight now. Just check up the $5 that we're going to put together. And see how much money that we're going to have. And how much juice that Sister Jenna put our first $500 and how much juice that. It's unity, it's strength. Dream team. One team. Dream team. One team. Dream team. One team. Clean team. One team. But don't forget the extended. Family. Extended. Family. No man, yo, something wrong. Baby, hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Come now, man. Dream team. One team. One team. Dream team. Clean team. One team. And we cannot forget the extended family. Extended family. Never yet. Keep them in your prayers, in your mind, in your thoughts, and everywhere. So we give thanks. Teamwork, make the dream work. So my sound, I gotta take it over. You know, think that my sound, I gotta go on. You have Rasta Jackson there, you go on all that vibes. Hold on, my sound. Cause baby they are collect, you know.
We save everybody up.
Yeah man, baby almost there, so baby I collect, this is his trend. What Rasta Jackson, a peel out. A peel out. See there?
Come on.
Alright, so baby still collecting, you know, and this all baby still collecting, you know. Baby don't stop collect. Unity is strength. And Dreamteam have to be an example. Sams, you put your $100 already for your bag juice. Zaire, you put your already Zaire. Alright. So run some show now, my team. Run some show, make all our vibes and be merry. So people, my sound is here. Check it out, Talvi sound. My sound. Watch you now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch you now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.